To enter receipts into Xero, follow these steps. Log into Xero. Open Xero and log in using your credentials. Go to Business menu. From the dashboard, click on Business in the top menu and select Bills to Pay under the Purchases section. Create a new bill or expense. If you're entering a receipt for a bill, click New Bill. If it's a personal or employee expense, go to Expense Claims and click Submit Expense. Enter receipt details. Supplier. Choose a supplier or vendor from the list or add a new one. Date. Enter the date on the receipt. Invoice number. Enter the reference number if available. Description. Provide a brief description of the expense. Attach the receipt. Click on Attach File to upload a scanned copy or photo of the receipt from your device. Allocate expense categories. Choose the appropriate account to categorize the expense. Add the amount and tax rate if applicable. Save or approve. Click Save to save the receipt for future reference, or Approve to finalize the entry and record it in your financial records.